Hello everyone. Today we are going to check the function which is used to check the type of data. In last video we saw how to assign values to different variables, and in case if you want to check the type of data of that variable is holding, you can check it with the type function. Let us see how to use type function and check what are different types of data. As you can see here, I have assigned A is equal to 10, B is equal to computer, that is a string, C is equal to true, D is equal to false. Now C and D is holding boolean variable true and false, and E is holding a complex expression. So let us try and check what type of data it is. So here I am using print function with type function. With type function we can check which kind of data is residing in a particular variable. Here A is holding integer, B is holding its string value, C and D is holding boolean variable, and E is holding a complex expression. Now let us declare one more variable, f is equal to 10.3. This is a float value. As you can see the output, we have different types of data, varieties of data in the variables. Now just to format the output, I am including again a blank print function here. There are still more data types, but we'll learn that in coming session. Thank you.